Hey everyone! Welcome to Easy English Learning, your go-to place for learning English in a fun and easy way. Today, we're talking about something super important. Why is English so essential? Did you know that English is the most widely spoken language in the world? Even if it's not your first language, learning English can open so many doors for you. Want a great job? English helps in business and career growth. Want to study abroad? Most top universities use English. Love to travel? English is the language of international communication. And guess what? Even your favorite movies, songs, and social media content are mostly in English. So, if you're ready to improve your English and unlock amazing opportunities, stay with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a lesson. Let's get started. Hey, John. I was thinking about how important English has become in today's world.
That's true, Emma. English is practically everywhere. It's the global language of communication.
Exactly. It's widely spoken in many countries. Even people who aren't native speakers learn it as a second language.
That's because English is the main language of international business and trade.
Yes. If you want to work with multinational companies, knowing English is a huge advantage.
And it's not just business. English is also the language of science, technology, and the internet.
True. Most research papers, scientific studies, and tech manuals are written in English.
Even software programming relies on English-based syntax and terminology.
That's why people in IT and engineering fields need to have a good grasp of English.
It's also the main language used in aviation and maritime communication.
Pilots and air traffic controllers around the world use English to ensure safety.
That makes sense. Miscommunication in those industries could be dangerous.
Exactly. Another reason English is important is for education.
Many top universities and research institutions use English as their primary language.
If you want to study abroad in places like the US, UK, or Australia, English is a must.
Even universities in non-English speaking countries offer courses in English to attract international students.
That's a great point. Learning English can open up so many academic opportunities.
And let's not forget about entertainment. Most movies, TV shows, and music are in English.
Yes. Hollywood movies are popular all over the world, and they're usually in English.
Even if they're dubbed or have subtitles, the original version is almost always in English.
And many people prefer watching content in its original language to fully enjoy the acting.
Exactly. Plus, English is the dominant language in social media and online content.
That's right. The majority of websites, blogs, and digital resources are in English.
If you want to stay updated with the latest news and trends, knowing English helps a lot.
Speaking of trends, English is also essential for tourism and travel.
Yes. When you travel to a foreign country, English is often the common language people use to communicate.
It makes it easier to ask for directions, order food, and interact with locals.
Hotel staff, tour guides, and airport personnel usually speak English to assist international travelers.
That's why even in countries where English isn't the official language, people learn it for tourism purposes.
Exactly. And let's not forget how important English is in diplomacy and politics.
Most international organizations, like the UN and WHO, use English as one of their main working languages.
That's because English helps bridge the communication gap between different countries.
Leaders and diplomats need to speak English to negotiate and form global policies.
It's amazing how one language connects people from all over the world.
Absolutely. And learning English isn't just practical, it can also boost confidence and career opportunities.
Many job interviews and professional exams are conducted in English.
If you're fluent, it can increase your chances of getting hired by international companies.
Even remote work opportunities often require strong English skills.
Yes. Freelancing platforms and global job markets favor candidates who can communicate in English.
And communication isn't just about speaking, it's about writing as well.
That's true. Good English writing skills are essential for emails, reports, and presentations.
Employers value employees who can write clearly and professionally in English.
And let's not forget about customer service and call centers.
Many companies outsource their customer service to English-speaking professionals.
That's because businesses want to reach a global customer base.
So, improving English skills can open up more job options in various industries.
Absolutely. And English isn't just useful for work, it helps in making new friends too.
That's true. English connects people from different cultures and backgrounds.
Socializing with people from other countries becomes easier if you speak English.
Many online communities and gaming platforms use English as their primary language.
That's why even young people are motivated to learn English through games and social media.
Yes. Learning English has become more fun and accessible thanks to technology.
There are so many free apps, courses, and online videos that teach English effectively.
And watching English movies or reading books helps improve vocabulary naturally.
Immersing yourself in English content is one of the best ways to learn.
Definitely. Practice makes perfect, and exposure to English helps a lot.
And the best part is that learning English can give you a sense of personal achievement.
Yes. Mastering a new language boosts confidence and broadens your perspective.
It also enhances critical thinking and problem-solving skills.
That's because language learning involves understanding complex ideas and structures.
And when you can think in English, you become more fluent and expressive.
That's why bilingual or multilingual people often have an advantage in cognitive abilities.
Plus, learning English can help with other languages, especially those with similar roots.
Yes. If you know English, learning languages like Spanish or French becomes easier.
Since English has borrowed words from many languages, there are lots of familiar words.
That's true. And pronunciation practice in English can improve your speaking skills in general.
Speaking of pronunciation, accents don't matter as long as you're understood.
Exactly. The goal is clear communication, not a perfect accent.
That's why confidence is key when learning English.
Yes. Making mistakes is part of the learning process, so it's important to keep practicing.
And the more you practice, the more natural English will feel.
That's why it's important to use English every day, even if it's just a little.
Reading, writing, listening, and speaking English daily helps reinforce learning.
And having conversations in English is one of the best ways to improve fluency.
Yes. Just like we're doing now, practicing and discussing important topics in English.
Exactly. Conversations help us think in English and respond quickly.
And that's why English is so essential. It's a language of opportunities, connection, and progress.
Couldn't agree more, Emma. Learning English truly opens doors to the world. Wow! We covered so much today about why English is essential. Remember, learning English can help you in school, work, travel, and even making new friends. The best way to improve is to practice every day, read, listen, speak, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up, and comment below with your favorite reason for learning English. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing. Bye.